Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the issue. It is that in the Windows 10 or 11 apps is freezing or not responding again and again. So how you can resolve that? So simply you just have to don't worry, and this video show you a permanent fix to stop app crashes, hangs and unresponsive in just a few minutes. So follow these simple steps. So first step is that you press the Ctrl Shift Escape to open the task manager, just like that. I'm gonna press Ctrl Shift and Escape to open the task manager, and after that you're just going to the end frozen apps which I don't want to use that. So after that is going to settings and go to system, and you're going to storage and this temporary file and clean up the system files. If you don't know where you're just going, just simply search on guy and just search a storage, go to settings and just going to the untemporary file just like that, and just delete the temporary file from that. After that just going to the settings, and after this find the open command prompt admin and run. So as you know how you can find that, simply just going to start menu and just right click and just going to the admin terminal, just open that and just write that prompt and just enter it. And also that one I'm gonna highlight it, just one, just have to just type that. And also after the fourth step, after the third step, you just follow the fourth step, update windows and your display drivers from your device manager. If you don't know where you just do that, just right click on the menu and just device manager and just click on the display adapters and right click and update the drivers from here. After that just go to settings, apps, install apps and choose the formatting apps, repair or reset. So just find that which app is not working, just repair it. And after the fifth step, restart your PC, everything should work smoothly now. So that's the video. You have to make sure all the follow the steps to fix your issue. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming solutions of the Windows problem.